Despite the manipulation and fraud and corruption that may happen into the stock market or with the stock market, well, it is still a powerful tool to actually build wealth and make money either through trading or investing, because the two are different, right? So either you want to just make money on the spot on a very short term, couple of days, couple of weeks, or you want to invest for your kids, for your future, for your retirement. It is still a very powerful tool to do that, to achieve those goals. But I think I'm gonna share with you in this video something that I think lots of you may not even be aware of, and it's the fact that you can make between 50 to $100 every single day by trading not only stocks but also a broader scope of assets in the stock market, even those you didn't even think was possible with just a small amount of capital. So do you know that there are some platforms out there, all right? We have some platforms out there, we are more familiar with the one trading, stocks and crypto, the Webull, the Robinhood, the E-Trades, Cash App, etc., etc. But there are other, brokerage firms, other tools, other apps that you can also download and start using in order to trade Forex. Well, Forex is, foreign currencies. Let's say you want to go to, I don't know, Europe. You want to go to, to UK, you want to go to France, you want to go to Europe, you will need to actually convert your dollar into the local currency, all right? Because in order to get, a hotel room, in order to, get some to transportation, you have to pay in local currency, no matter where you go in the world. So this is actually what we call the Forex, the Forex market, foreign currencies market, transferring, buying and selling these currencies because they actually fluctuate like, stocks do and crypto fluctuate. We also have what we call futures or mini futures. The futures are when you jump into investing.com, for example, or you jump into MarketWatch, or you jump into any other financial news or stock market investing / market media, you will get quotes on the actual state of the market, either when the market is actually open or when the market is closed. So what we call future is actually when you see the after hour or the pre-market. These are usually what we call futures, because it tells you based on where the actual volume in this pre-market, pre-session, where the market is actually still closed, how investors with the ability and the access to the market then are posting their orders. It will give you a pretty good idea of whether the market will go up or the market will go down. So you can trade the Nasdaq, you can trade the Dow Jones, you can trade also lots of other futures around the world. You can trade, the CAC 40, you can trade the DAX 40, you can trade the FTSE in London, you can trade the Hang Seng in China. You can trade pretty much every main index on the world, okay? Asia, Europe, US, and even South America. Also, you can trade what we call commodities, all right? You can trade gas, you can trade, oil, you can also trade crypto. So you can pretty much trade every single asset tradable here. All right. So some of these platforms will not give you the possibility to pretty much trade everything per se, but pretty much everything's there, if you see what I mean. So starting with just $500, for example, you will have the ability to make, depending on how educated you are to the markets and depending on how you read and you are able to actually translate economic indicators, where the economy is going, where personal finance is going, where politics, geopolitics are going, because those are the kind of catalysts that affect the market as a whole, especially when you break down the market by sector. So when you download, for example, MetaTrader 4, this is what I personally use and I've been using for a couple of years now, and with this I've been able to trade Forex, futures, commodities, and crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, not maybe all of the altcoins, but definitely, the main ones. So, but my point here in this video before I leave is, in order to make sure that you trade pretty accurately with this. It doesn't matter whether you trade on a desktop or a tablet, a phablet, or a smartphone. You need to be educated on how to read and translate what the economy is sending as indicators, what the economy is going. We're talking about strategy here. How the news in China, how the news in Japan, in Europe, in Mexico are impacting some of the laws or some of the assets here in the US. Hence, impacting whether the markets are going to go up or the market are going to go down. So that's why, I've been posting some videos on the market pre-open, and the market closing bell analysis, just to give you, that post-market and pre-market, analysis, in order for you to start getting educated, and it will help you move forward and actually be successful at how to trade those assets. So this is just kind of an introductory video. And if you are interested into me making pretty much a live or getting into some more details where we can actually have a A to Z demo on how to use MetaTrader 4 or any other platform, for example, that you may want, in order to know exactly how you can cash flow 50 to $100 every single day, trading pretty much everything on the planet, let me know in the comment section below and I'll make it happen for you.